President Trump says President Barack Obama's health care law is a broken promise, and he promises his replacement bill will be kind. The president made the comments before a meeting with Republican senators to discuss health care. Correspondent Mark Irons reports at the White House. Good evening, Mark.
Good evening, Lauren. President Trump's lunch meeting with Senate Republicans was aimed at narrowing health care options, and he's looking to shore up enough votes to move a new health law through the Senate this summer. It's all in an effort to make good on a big campaign promise.
From day one, I said, we're going to repeal and replace Obamacare. That's what we're going to do.
President Trump meeting for the second time in a week on health care, this time with GOP senators. He says they're doing away with Obamacare and will be coming out with a, quote, real bill.
A bill that's going to be a phenomenal bill for the people of our country. Generous, kind, with heart. That's what I'm saying.
The president is also accusing Democrats of blocking his efforts, but not offering an alternative of their own. In a tweet today, he says, 2 million more people just dropped out of Obamacare. It is in a death spiral. Obstructionist Democrats gave up, have no answer, resist. But health care policy expert and Catholic James Capretta says some Republicans in the Senate are concerned the current bill would leave too many Americans uninsured.
Republicans need to come to grips with the fact that people in the United States should be enrolled in health insurance.
Capretta says the Obamacare subsidy for low-income Americans was too expensive, but lawmakers must keep Americans who live below the poverty line in mind.
The Senate's going to need to provide more help to that population to make sure they can get a reasonable insurance plan that can be affordable for a premium that they can actually pay. And I think that is really what they're concerned about in the Senate, and I think they're working toward producing that. So yeah, that's a big, big issue and needs to be corrected in the Senate bill.
The House narrowly passed their version of the bill in May. The president is hoping for a stronger victory in the Senate. Lauren?
Correspondent Mark Irons at the White House. Thank you, Mark.